Hi friends, in the last video we have discussed about types of operators and especially about arithmetic operators in Python. I am posting this video by explaining the next operator type in Python, assignment operators. Before going to discuss this topic, I am requesting you to subscribe the channel if you are not subscribed. Thanks if you already subscribed. Okay, let's go to the topic. Assignment operators are used to assign values to variables. Here you will observe different assignment operators and with some examples. We can discuss one by one. First one is assign. I am assigning numerical value 5 to a variable x. I am considering x value as 5 for all examples in this video. The next example is add and assign. I am adding numerical value 3 to x. It means already we have assigned value 5 to x. Here we are performing addition operation with 3 and assign the result to x only. Hence represented as x equal to x plus 3. It means that 5 plus 3 result is 8, stored again in x only. We can represent in another manner also x plus equal 3. Here x equal to x plus 3 and x plus equal 3 both are same. The third example is subtract and assign. Subtracting 3 from x and store result in x, represented as x equal to x minus 3. Please consider the existing x value as 5 only for all examples. Here x equal to x minus 3 means x equal to 5 minus 3. We can represent in another manner also x minus equal 3, both are same. Fourth example is multiple and assign. Performing multiplication operation and assign result to x. Multiplying x value with 3 and store the result in x only. We can represent this as x equal to x star 3. The existing x value is 5. We are multiplying 5 with 3 and store the result in x only. We can represent this in another manner also. X star equal 3. Both are same. Divide and assign, modulus and assign, floor division and assign are similar to these operators. Next operator we need to discuss is bitwise AND. The symbol AND denotes in Python that the bitwise AND operator. Already the existing value of x is 5. We are performing bitwise AND operation with 3. Store the result in x only. The expression is x equal to x and 3. I will execute this in Python shell. Open command prompt, type Python and press enter key. Now type x equal to 5 and press enter. Type x equal to x and 3. In the next line we can type print of x. Now you will get the output 1. Here you will get one doubt. What is the logic behind this to get the output 1? Before going to explain this, please keep it in mind that we should have knowledge on number systems. Then only you will understand the result and how we got it. Here the numerical values are in decimal number system. First we need to convert them into binary number system. I will open Notepad and explain this example. First I will write decimal numbers from 0 to 9 and equivalent binary numbers. Then it is easy to understand. I will write decimal numbers on left hand side and same value in binary on right hand side. Decimal number 0, the equivalent binary number is 0000. I am writing here in 4-digit form. 1 in decimal equivalent to 0001 in binary. 2 in decimal equivalent to 0010. 3 equivalent to 0011. 4 0100. 5 0101. 6 0110. 7 0111. 8 1000. 9 1001. Now we can look into the process how to perform AND operation for 5 and 3 which are in decimal form. Already we know x value is 5. So x equal 5 equal in binary form we can write as 0101. In the second line we can write 3 equal 0011. While performing AND operation, please keep it in mind that if two digits are equal to 1, then only the result would be 1, otherwise the result is 0. Now we can look into the digits one by one from the right hand side. Both are 1, so result is 1. Next 0 and 1, so result would be 0. Next 1 and 0, so result is 0. Next 0 and 0, the result is 0. The result in binary form is 0001. If we convert it to decimal, the value is 1. After performing the bitwise AND operation of 5 and 3, the result is 1 and assigned to the variable x only. The expression is x equal to x and 3. We can write the same expression in different manner, x and equal 3. The next example is bitwise OR and assign. Assigning the result to x after performing bitwise OR operation with 3. Now, first I will execute this in Python shell. Then I will explain how we got the output. Open command prompt. Type Python and press enter. Now it is waiting for our commands. X equal to 5. In the next line, x equal to x or 3. The symbol denotes OR. Print of x. Now you will get the output 7. I will explain how we got the output 7. Open Notepad. Type x equal 5 equal 0101. In the second line we can write 3 equal 0011. While performing OR operation, please keep it in mind that if any one of the digit is equal to 1, then the result would be 1, otherwise the result 0. Now we can look into the digits one by one from the right hand side. Both are 1, so result is 1. Next 0 and 1, so result will be 1. Next 1 and 0, result is 1. Next 0 and 0, result is 0. So the result in binary form is 0111. If we convert it into decimal, the value is 7. After performing the bitwise OR operation of 5 and the 3, the result is 7 and assign this to variable x only. The expression is x equal to x or 3. We can write the same expression different manner, x or equal 3. The next assignment operator is bitwise XOR and assign. We can represent it as x equal to x XOR 3. We will represent the same in another manner, x XOR operator equal 3. Let me explain this by executing in Python shell. I will open command prompt, type Python and press enter. Type x equal 5 and press enter. In the next line, type x equal to x, XOR symbol 3. Now type print of x. You will see the output 6. Now you will get one doubt how we got the output 6. I will explain you in the logic next notepad. Open notepad. We have one formula to perform XOR operation. Please note down. I will write the formula here. XOR equal to A and not B or not A and B. Here I am considering A equal to 5 and B equal to 3. We need to convert these numbers into binary number system. For 5, equivalent binary number system is binary number is 0101. For 3, equivalent binary number is 0011. In the formula, we need to perform in 3 steps. Step 1 is A and not B. Step 2 is not A and B. Step 3 is to perform OR operation for these two results. First, we can perform step 1. Write A equal to 5 equal to 0101. B equal to 3 equal to 0011. Not B is reverse of B. Means not B equal to 1100. Here I am reversing the each digit of B. Okay. So we can write A value here 0101 and we can write not B value 1100. So we need to perform bitwise AND operation for these two binary values. Already we have discussed how to perform bitwise AND operation for binary values in this video only. So 0100 is the result of step 1. Now we can perform step 2. Write A equal to 5 equal to 0101. In the next line, not A equal to 1010 and B equal to 0011. We need to perform bitwise AND operation for these two binary values. 0010 is the result of step 2. Now we need to perform bitwise OR operation for result if step 1 and step 2. Step 1 result is 0100. Step 2 result 0010. Need to perform OR operation. As per bitwise OR operation, if any of the value is 1, result is 1. Final result is 0110. If we convert it into decimal, we can see the number 6. The result is matching with executed output. The next assignment operator is bitwise right shift assign. The operator is used to perform bitwise right shift to ungiven binary number. For example, x equal to 5 equal to 0101. X equal to x. To right arrows 3. It means that we need to perform right shift operation for 3 times. First I will execute in Python shell, open command prompt, type Python, enter, type x equal to 5, type x equal to x, to right arrows 3, print of x, the output is 0. Let me explain this in notepad. X equal 5 equal 0101. I am writing the binary form with 8 digits, means 00000101. Right shift by one step, means 00000010, means the last digit in right hand side will be vanishes. Right shift by 2 means in the second step 00000001. Right shift by 3 means in third step 00000000. Final result is 0. It is matching with executed result in Python shell. The next assignment operator is bitwise left shift and assign. This operator is used to perform bitwise left shift on the given binary number. For example, x equaled 5, x equaled x, 2 left arrows 3. It means that we need to perform left shift operation for 3 times. First I will execute this in Python shell. Open command prompt, type Python center. We can type Python and enter. Type x equaled 5, type x equaled x, 2 left arrows 3, print of x. The output is 40. Let me explain this in notepad. X equaled 5 equaled 0 1 0 1. It means we are writing this in 8 digit form 0 0 0 0 0 1 0 1. In the first step I am doing left shift, means 0 0 0 0 1 0 1 0, means the left, the digit which is in left hand side, it will be vanishes. Left shift by 2 means 0 0 0 1 0 1 0 0. Left shift by 3 0 0 1 0 1 0 0. Convert the result into decimal number. Okay, so here from the right hand side we need to, here you have to understand one thing, how to convert this into decimal number. The base of the binary number is 2. So from the right hand side, each digit it will be multiplied with 2 power the position of the digit, means the right hand side first digit it will be multiplied with 2 power 0 and next digit multiplied with 2 power 1, like that all the digits will be multiplied and added. So from left hand side onwards we can go 0 into 2 power 7 plus 2 into 2 power 6 plus 1 into 2 power 5 plus 0 into 2 power 4 plus 1 into 2 power 3 plus 0 into 2 power 2 plus 0 into 2 power 1 plus 0 into 2 power 0. So we can write the values 0 plus 0 plus 32 plus 0 plus 8 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0. So overall 40. Final result is 40. It is matching with executed result in Python shell. In this video, we have covered all the assignment operators. I hope you understood. Please provide your comment. In the next video, we can discuss other type of operators. Have a nice day. Thank you.